Hey everyone, it's Jake. If you're tired all the time, you're not alone. Today, we'll uncover why you're always exhausted and share 12 practical tips to help you reclaim your energy. Let's start with the basics. Your sleep schedule. It might sound simple, but the time you go to bed and wake up each day has a huge impact on your overall health, mood, and productivity. Think of your sleep schedule as the foundation of your daily routine. When it's solid, everything else feels easier. But when it's shaky, you might find yourself struggling to focus, feeling irritable, or dragging through the day. Our bodies thrive on routine, and a consistent sleep-wake cycle keeps your internal clock or circadian rhythm in sync. This internal clock is responsible for regulating when you feel alert and when you feel sleepy. When you stick to a regular schedule, your body learns when it's time to wind down and when it's time to wake up, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. But what happens when you disrupt this rhythm? Staying up late to binge-watch your favorite show, sleeping in on weekends, or pulling all-nighters for work or study can throw your body's natural cycle out of balance. Suddenly you might find it hard to fall asleep at night, or you wake up feeling groggy and unrested, no matter how many hours you spent in bed. This is what we call sleep schedule sabotage, and it can leave you feeling sluggish, unfocused, and even a little down. The fix? It's all about consistency. Set a regular bedtime and wake-up time, aiming for 7-9 hours of sleep, even on weekends. Try to go to bed and get up at the same time every day, even if you have a late night or a busy morning. This helps train your body to expect sleep at certain times, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up refreshed. If you need to adjust your schedule, do it gradually. Shift your bedtime or wake-up time by 15-30 minutes each day until you reach your goal. Of course, life happens. There will be late nights, early mornings, and unexpected events that throw off your routine, but the more consistent you are, the better you'll feel in the long run. If you slip up, don't stress. Just get back on track as soon as you can. Remember, it's the overall pattern that matters most, not perfection. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine can also help signal to your body that it's time to sleep. Try turning off screens at least 30 minutes before bed, dimming the lights, and doing something calming like reading or gentle stretching. These small habits can make a big difference in how quickly you fall asleep and how deeply you rest. When you prioritize your sleep schedule, you'll notice a real difference in your energy, focus, and mood. Waking up refreshed makes it easier to tackle your day, stay motivated, and enjoy the things you love. Plus, good sleep supports your immune system, helps regulate your appetite, and even boosts your creativity. So, take care of your sleep schedule. It's one of the simplest ways to take care of yourself. Your body will thank you, and you'll be amazed at how much better you feel, both physically and mentally, when you make sleep a priority. Let's talk about caffeine, that beloved morning ritual and the world's most popular pick-me-up. For many of us, the day doesn't truly begin until we've had that first sip of coffee or tea. It's a comforting routine, a moment of warmth and energy that helps us shake off the last traces of sleep and face the day ahead. But while caffeine can be a fantastic way to jumpstart your morning, there's a lot more to consider than just the boost it gives you. Timing is everything when it comes to caffeine. While that afternoon cup might seem harmless, caffeine can linger in your system for hours, sometimes up to 6 or even 8 hours after you drink it. That means your 3 p.m. coffee break could still be affecting you when you're trying to wind down for bed. Even if you don't feel wired, caffeine can quietly sabotage your sleep by making it harder to fall asleep or reducing the quality of your rest. Here's why. Caffeine works by blocking adenosine, a natural chemical in your brain that builds up throughout the day and makes you feel sleepy at night. When caffeine gets in the way, your brain doesn't get the signal that it's time to rest. The result? You might find yourself tossing and turning, unable to drift off, or waking up feeling less refreshed than you'd like. To avoid this, it's a good idea to limit caffeine after lunch. Instead of reaching for another cup of coffee or black tea in the late afternoon or evening, try swapping it out for a soothing herbal tea or a caffeine-free alternative. Not only will this help protect your sleep, but it can also become a relaxing part of your evening routine. It's important to remember that everyone's sensitivity to caffeine is different. Some people can enjoy an espresso after dinner and sleep like a baby, while others find that even a small amount in the afternoon keeps them up at night. Pay attention to how your body reacts. If you notice trouble falling asleep or waking up feeling groggy, try adjusting your caffeine habits and see if it makes a difference. Moderation and timing are key. Consider setting a personal caffeine cutoff time, maybe 2 p.m. or 3 p.m., and stick to it. This simple habit can make a big difference in the quality of your sleep and how you feel the next day. Don't let caffeine steal your sleep. With a little awareness and a few small changes, you can enjoy your favorite drinks and still get the restful, restorative sleep you deserve. It might sound counterintuitive, but one of the best ways to fight fatigue is to get your body moving. When you're feeling tired, the last thing you might want to do is exercise, But research shows that physical activity can actually help you feel more energized, not less. Instead of reaching for another cup of coffee or taking a nap, try adding a little movement to your day. Even gentle activity can wake up your body and mind, making you feel more alert and refreshed. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins. These are natural chemicals that boost your mood and energy levels. Endorphins are often called feel-good hormones, and they help reduce stress and improve your overall sense of well-being. That's why people often feel happier and more awake after a workout, even if it's just a short one. Plus, regular movement helps your body use oxygen more efficiently, which means your heart and muscles don't have to work as hard to keep you going throughout the day. You don't have to run a marathon or spend hours at the gym to feel the benefits. Even moderate activities like brisk walking, cycling, or a quick yoga session can make a noticeable difference in your energy levels. The key is to find ways to move that fit into your lifestyle and feel enjoyable, so you'll want to keep doing them. Experts recommend aiming for about 30 minutes of physical activity most days of the week. But if your schedule is packed, don't worry. You can break it up into shorter sessions throughout the day. Even 3 10-minute bursts of movement can add up and help you feel more awake and focused. Try taking the stairs instead of the elevator, walking during phone calls, or doing a quick set of stretches between tasks. The most important thing is to choose activities you genuinely enjoy. Whether it's dancing in your living room, playing a sport with friends, hiking in nature, or even gardening, moving your body in ways that make you happy will help you stick with it. When exercise feels like fun instead of a chore, you'll be more likely to make it a regular part of your routine. Remember, the more you move, the more energy you'll have. Over time, regular activity can help you feel less tired, boost your mood, and improve your overall health. So take that first step. Your body and mind will thank you. Hydration is often overlooked, but it's crucial for energy. Even mild dehydration thickens your blood and makes your heart work harder, leaving you drained. Aim for 8 glasses a day, but listen to your body and sip water throughout the day. Carry a water bottle and remember, fruits and veggies count too. Stay hydrated for a natural energy boost. What you eat fuels your energy. Skip the sugar rush and crash, focus on whole foods. Choose complex carbs, lean proteins, and healthy fats for steady energy. Fill your plate with colorful fruits, veggies, whole grains, and good fats. Treats are fine occasionally, but make healthy choices most of the time. Your body will run better on quality fuel. Stress and anxiety can wreck your sleep and drain your energy. Chronic stress keeps your body in fight or flight mode, making it hard to relax and fall asleep. Try stress busters like exercise, mindfulness, deep breathing, or time in nature. Make relaxation a regular habit. If stress feels overwhelming, reach out for help. Sometimes constant fatigue signals a sleep disorder like sleep apnea or insomnia. Sleep apnea causes breathing pauses and restless nights, while insomnia makes it hard to fall or stay asleep. If you snore loudly, gasp for air, or feel tired no matter how much you sleep, talk to your doctor. Proper diagnosis and treatment can transform your energy. Don't ignore persistent sleep problems. Screens are everywhere, but blue light from devices can mess with your sleep. Blue light suppresses melatonin, making it harder to fall asleep. Set a digital curfew, no screens at least an hour before bed. Unwind with a book, music, or a warm bath instead. If you must use devices, try blue light filters or glasses. Daytime sunlight is just as important as nighttime darkness for good sleep. Morning light helps set your internal clock and boosts alertness. Aim for at least 30 minutes of natural light daily, especially in the morning. If sunlight is scarce, consider a light therapy box. We're not built for non-stop hustle. Rest is essential. Overworking leads to burnout, which drains your energy and motivation. Prioritize sleep, take breaks, and do things you enjoy. Set boundaries between work and personal time. Taking care of yourself isn't selfish, it's necessary. Sometimes fatigue signals a medical issue like hypothyroidism, anemia, or nutrient deficiencies. If your tiredness is severe, persistent, or comes with other symptoms, see your doctor. Getting the right diagnosis can make all the difference. A consistent bedtime routine signals your body it's time to sleep. Try relaxing activities like a warm bath, reading, or deep breathing before bed. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid screens in the hour before sleep. Stick to your routine, even on weekends, for better rest. There you have it, 12 tips to fight fatigue and boost your energy. Start small, build healthy habits, and let me know which tips work for you. Sweet dreams and high energy await. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.